Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy, sumptuous and delicious meat pie. So stay tuned, let's get right into the video. In the description box is going to be the recipes and quantity of all the ingredients you will need. So the first thing we will do is to start with adding the vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Then add enough onions and garlic. You can add ginger as well, but I'm using only onions and garlic here. And I add enough thyme. Sorry for the way the hand is shaking. That's my 4-year-old toddler helping me out to prepare this meat pie. You can see his tiny little fingers. The guy no gree for anybody. He want to take over my kitchen. Then stir after adding the thyme. Add enough thyme. Stir and fry for at least 2 minutes to bring out the flavor. Add some salt. Add your beef, your minced beef or your minced meat. You can use chicken as well, or you can use fish. Then start frying. I'm frying on a high heat because if you fry on a low heat, the meat will start producing the water and we don't want the water, so we will be frying on a high heat. You will still add water later when we add our vegetables. Fry for at least 5 minutes, then add in the seasoning cube or seasoning powder of your choice. Add some pepper, continue frying and stir so that it doesn't burn. Then after 5 minutes, I will add in the vegetables. I'm using carrots and Irish potato. So I will give this a stir and I will add water to the level of the content. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add in your flour mixture. This is just a combination of flour and water. Then stir to make sure that it incorporates very well. After stirring, test for salt, adjust for the seasoning. You can add in more salt if it is not enough. But make sure you stir for at least total of a minute or two to make sure that it is cooked. Then take it aside and start preparing for the meat pie dough. In a bowl, I will add in 1 kg of flour, add in baking powder. Then I will follow it up with some salt. I will put the quantity of the ingredients in the description box. Then I will stir and add in some butter. I'm using white butter and the normal yellow butter or margarine. Then I will make sure to press it because it is hard. Make sure you use it directly from the fridge so that you will get the crunchy meat pie. Then I will mix and make everything to become like breadcrumbs. Then I will start adding water bit by bit till I get the consistency that I want. I will just be adding water little by little. Then I will mix till everything stops sticking together and becomes one. So I will mix it off camera then till I get this consistency. It has stopped sticking on my pan. Then I will bring it out and start kneading on my kneading mat. Then I will make sure that I sprinkle some flour on the surface so that it doesn't stick on the rolling pin or on the mat. Then I will roll till it is flat. Then I will cut it out with my meat pie cutter. Then I flatten it again so that it will size in when I'm covering it. After flattening it and expanding it, I will keep it aside just like so till I'm done with all the cutouts. If you don't have a meat pie cutter, you can use the cover of a pot, a small pot, to do this. Then inside a plate, I will be adding egg and a little bit of milk. Stir and keep it aside. Use it as a wash to cover the meat pie and to shine the meat pie when you are done. So this is just how I'm folding it with my meat pie cutter add in the meat mixture, add in egg wash at one side, then cover it, press it and take out the excess just like so. And your meat pie is as good as ready after doing this. And before making this meat pie, I've already started preheating the oven 180 degrees C. So I will use my fork to make some design on the meat pie and also to make the air to go out when baking so that the air doesn't make the meat pie pop open. Then after that, I will use the egg wash to rub on the surface of the meat pie. This will make it to come out golden brown and shiny. I will apply it on all the meat pies before putting it in the oven. Then put it in the oven once you are done and bake till it is golden brown just like so. And your meat pie is as good as ready. You can have this as breakfast, as brunch, as dinner. So guys, hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. Bye and see you in my next one.